Hello and welcome to Repairing Faulty Tech. Today we're going to be looking at this JBL Bluetooth speaker. Now I believe this is a Flip 3, which is one of the earlier models. I believe there's now a Flip 5. Don't know too much about the JBL Bluetooth speakers, more familiar with the Ultimate Ears ones. But this one, all that I know about it so far is that it has a faulty USB socket. Don't know of any other issues. Could be a battery issue, could be a speaker issue, could be anything else, but we won't know that until we get that replaced. Okay, so let's first of all have a look at the port underneath the microscope. Well, there are still some pins there, but not much else. No wonder it doesn't work. Anyway, it does look like we'll need to replace that, I think. Okay, let's get this apart. Now, I can't see anything obvious, so I'm going to assume that either these bits come off or we have to get something underneath there. I want to be very careful with this because on the Ultimate Ears ones, it's very easy to mark the case. See if we can just edge it. Ah, there we go. Okay. So it's I don't want to damage the cloth cover. It's very there, I think that was the catalyst there. There. That should there we are. Right, that was a bit of an effort, but there it goes. It's now off. Looks like there's some screws here that we can just remove. Okay, this cover should come off now. There's 6 screws on the top here and the same on the other side. So right, so looking at this stuff, it's actually really jammed in here. It's not easily moved. There seems to be some kind of like silicon stuff or something. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how to get this board out at the moment. I think what I'm going to have to do is try and get rid of some of this stuff and then see if it's you know, I can maybe use some IPA or something to try and remove it. battery, and there is the USB. Right, so we've managed to get the board out. Unfortunately, trying to remove that silicon stuff, and it's damaged one of the cables. Always a risk really with this, but yeah, it's unfortunate, but that's the way it is. So we've got a couple of things to do. We've got the board here, and it's ready. I'll show you a close-up of this, see if you can see. So that's the USB board. So if you can see, there's one with 4 and there's one with 3. So the one with 4, I believe, is this one, which is the USB, and the one with 3 is this one, which is for the audio input. This was just a little bit unfortunate in that when I was trying to get all that well, silicon or something out of it, it just snipped the wires. Just a little bit of just a bit of an accident on my part. My mistake. These things happen. Right, okay, so we now have 1, 2. So what we can do is, this is the PCB connector, so we're going to end up with not a fixed connection like this one. So this one's soldered into the board, as you just saw. This one will be it's a PCB connection, and we will plug this in, and then we're going to add on another one of these. I actually have a second one. Okay, they went everywhere. So I also have another one, and what we're going to do is just make a short cable from one end to the other. Okay, so that cable out the way. Oh goodness. Put the gasket back on. I don't actually know if these are waterproof. Let's put this. Okay, so this one. So they only go one way. So now these are the larger screws. That way. There we are. Okay. Okay. So this goes on like that. And just put in just make sure this is in properly. So there we go. Perfect. What we'll do is we'll take a USB output and let's aha, excellent. So I think that's it charging the battery. Right, so I think what I'll do is I'll start putting the rest of the screws in, put this on, leave this running for about 10 minutes, and then we'll power it up, just make sure it's okay, and we'll maybe try playing something through it. Back in a minute. Okay, so it's mostly back together again now. I'm just going to put on this once I work out which way it goes, which is this way, yes. So I believe if I just push it on like that, lift this side, so that side's in. Interesting. So I need to lift this up. That, push it round, lift. It's obviously quite a tight fit, as you would imagine. Right, there we are. So there, and we're back, and we're done. Right, so here we are, all finished, ready to go. Let's test this. Power on, and this should hopefully change to blue. There we go, connected to Bluetooth. Okay, let's play a piece of music. Sounds good. I can see that the bass is going there, and there's sound coming from the two speakers there. All sounds good. Volume, pause, perfect. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, so the only thing to test now is the socket here. So let's switch off the Bluetooth. Yep, change back to white. And we'll plug this in. Okay, play. Sounds good to me. All seems to be working. And there we go. Perfect. Okay, really happy with that. It's been a nice little fix, and this will certainly get a lot of use. Brilliant. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.